Everyone thinks you should quit. They say you are too slow. They laugh when you run. They say you will never win. You tried once. You finished last. That night you sit alone. The words keep repeating in your head. Maybe they are right. Maybe you should stop. You look at your running shoes. You take a deep breath. Then you say one thing, just one more time. The next morning you run again. No one is watching. You run in the morning. You run in the evening. Some days are painful, but you keep going. 1 year later, there is another race. You stand at the start again. You run with everything you have. And this time, you are not last anymore because you tried one more time.